Topical versus injected. Screen print versus stitched. Boat versus submarine. What am I talking about? I'm talking about sublimated versus double shot. In the world of keyboards, there are a few different ways to get text, icons, or novelties that you all love on the keycaps.
I really like them novelties.
Well, dadgummit, I love me some novelties too.
I like them. I like novelties. Manny, you all got some novelties over there?
Here at PMK, our two methods are sublimation and double shot. So what is sublimation? Well, I can tell you from personal experience, it's definitely not the act of dropping a submarine in the water. No, it's really more like a boat, honestly, because a boat sits on the surface and just barely below it. Sublimation is the process where a vector image or text or icon is printed on paper using a special ink that is then pressed and essentially ironed onto the top of the keys. One key or a whole set of keys can be done at once. This process is very quick and efficient. It's kind of like when you're a little kid and you want to look cool and you get one of those 25-cent tattoos. You stick it on your arm, or you lick it and you stick it on your forehead. Sublimation can allow for the use of multiple colors to create keys like the cherry key on our granite set. Not sure how granite and cherries go together, but hey, you do you, Mateo, Matt 3-0, Matt, whatever. The only downfall is that you cannot sublimate color icons or graphics onto colored keys. You can use them on neutral or colorless keys like gray or white. The colored keys like blue or red can only use black sublimated text or icons. Now double shot. No, not that kind of double shot. No, not that kind of double shot either. I mean this kind of double shot. Double shot is the process of molding the keycaps around a pre-molded piece of plastic that has an icon or text element in it. Tony!
What?
Hey, Tony!
Okay, Manny, calm yourself. Jesus Christ on a bicycle. Okay, so here's how this works. Keep up with me. First, you design a fucking icon. Then you send that bitch to a CNC, which cuts it out on a fucking piece of brass. That brass legend is then put into a mold. Plastic is then injected in that fucking mold, creating this little son of a bitch. These parts are then trimmed and set into another mold. Plastic then gets injected into this mold, encapsulating the pre-mold. Man, you get my smokes. The parts are then taken out of that bin and trimmed and cleaned for here, just like you do in the butcher shop on 35th and 6th, if you know what I'm talking about. Alright, Manny, I did it. Where's that double shot of whiskey and the New York sliced pizza you talked to me about?
Yeah,
Don't cheat me.
you should go get that. The result is a very clean merging of two parts to create a nice, hefty key, like your boy, that can have a very wide range of color combinations between the keycap and the icon. The biggest benefit to the double shot method is that the keycap text or icons will never fade or get worn off by the continuous tapping of your fingertips as they tap away and smash buttons for years on end as you play Fortnite, code a program, or type your research paper at the last minute because you and the boys had to play one more round, and now you're doing that thing again where you procrastinated so long that you haven't even had time to eat, and now you're hungry and mad and not even close to done. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to rant like that. I apologize. The point is, don't procrastinate. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook and keep up with our weekly content.
Cut.
Okay. We're wrapped? Yep. Okay. Hey, Tony! Hey, Tony!
Now what?
Yeah, I'm done.
What?
Yeah, we can go get that double shot now. I told him I wasn't going to get it, but I can.
Hurry the fuck up there.
Okay.